CV show is owned and run by three organisations: the Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders, the Road Haulage Association and the Institute of Road Transport Engineers. I'm here with their chief execs to talk about how the show's gone and plans for the future. So Mike, you first. What's been the highlights for you for the SMMT?
Well, the numbers of people coming through the doors and showing strong interest in the new models, the new technologies and the exciting products that are here at the show.
I think you've been quite excited by a lot of the developments that the truck manufacturers and van manufacturers have brought to the show.
Yeah, exactly. I think the technology is a great story. I mean, the power output that is being achieved with much smaller engines, the noise, the efficiency improvements, the comfort improvements for drivers, there are a fantastic array of products here that are very, very attractive to road hauliers.
Excellent. Jeff, bringing you in from the RHA. What's your reaction to the way the show's gone? And I know you're quite into the political side of it.
Yeah, I think the show's been a great success. We've seen fantastic visitor numbers, which is a real credit to the exhibition. As far as the politics is concerned, taking the Secretary of State for Transport round the show, introducing him to members of the three organisations and raising the political profile of the industry as a whole has been a real boost. Plus we had the chair of the All-Party Freight Group in Parliament here, and that will help us to boost the image of the industry in Parliament, get us a lot more engaged with politicians and get our messages across more effectively.
Excellent. And okay. And Nick, you, Road Transport Engineers, you're very concerned about industry image. What's your reaction to the show?
I must concur with the earlier comments that the number of people attending the show is fantastic, really encouraging. And we have a lot of people visiting the stand, who are particularly interested in raising standards across the industry in terms of certifying technicians and accrediting workshops, and it's a case of raising the profile of the industry, which is absolutely vital to the UK.
Okay, and then what can we expect for 2014? Any plans, any thoughts you can tell us about next year?
We're already planning the next show, and obviously we expect it to be bigger and better with some more attractive products. The three partners have worked very, very strongly together. It will continue to be that sort of a partnership, and we'll obviously take feedback from the exhibitors this year and make some very subtle but important improvements.
Indeed. Okay, any final words from you, Jeff?
Well, I think the most interesting thing in that respect is the fact that we've got a lot of feedback from people that are already talking about being here next year, and several people that were not here this year are talking about being here next year, so it's very, very positive for next year as well.
And finally, Nick.
I think it's a case of evolution rather than massive change. It's a successful show, let's just build on it, and it's great to see the manufacturers back, which obviously attracts a lot of people to the show.
Excellent. Okay, we'll see you in 2014.